Hello guys, this is Park Place Tutorial, and I just want to show you a little bit of my Volume 3 Gravity Falls book. So this is a review of it, and I just get to go all out. Please leave a comment of what should I add or add a page, and I just want to show this to you guys. So I have this because I'm a big fan of Gravity Falls and all, and you know, I just love the book. So, just a little review. I think I'm the farthest from YouTube so far that has all these pages. So I'm not sure because I didn't actually go on YouTube and get all these. But I think I'm going to be the farthest from YouTube, yeah. Got this and everything. I have a lot of pages in this book, so this probably will be a long video. I just want to show you all the pages and everything and all the stuff I've done. It's just a review of my book right here. And that's the page. And guys, I just like to go all out. And don't forget to spam that subscribe button. And leave a comment, please do. What do you want me to do next of a tutorial? Because I've been thinking about it. I can't actually think of it. And just give me some ideas, guys, because I'm right here, like right here. I've seen the new Gravity Falls. I'm not gonna spoil it, but Gideon gets the mystery shack.